started? Okay. What's up, dudes?
Hey.
We are officially at the Hoover Dam.
Yes. Yeah.
This video will not be uploaded today. We are being taken pictures of by the paparazzi. Literally our dad.
Yeah. Okay, let's show you.
So like,
Or like the water
yeah.
over there. Paparazzi.
So like,
Yeah,
we're gonna have
that's
a slideshow of all the pictures we took.
Yeah. And there's gonna
on
be
this
a
trip.
lot.
It might be split into 2 parts
Maybe?
because of our 15-minute restriction, but like, it clearly is.
Paparazzi! Okay. That was a weird intervene.
Okay, guys, this is clearly not asphalt. This is the river, or the lake, or...
Whatever.
Hold on.
Yeah, but yeah.
This is Lake Mead.
What?
This is Lake Mead, or Med, or
Lake Mead.
Mead. M-E-A-D. So we're
Okay, so
at the
yeah.
lake overview, or whatever it's called. Wrong side.
You're always on this side.
Actually, in our regular videos, I'm over there. But
Oh yeah, you are. Okay, so
So like,
this is just like what's it called? An update.
on our trip.
Yes.
And,
We're gonna be here the whole week.
And look at this. Look at this. What are those?
What are those?
What are those?
Oh, and look at what happened to Dylan's knee.
Oh. Yeah. That
Yeah.
happened.
What?
That happened.
Yeah.
Yeah. That happened. I English.
Do you even English, bro?
Yes, I English.
Sure.
Just not as a major. I'm not in college, guys.
No one is.
Although our sister, she got accepted into University of Arizona.
Yes.
Y'all talking about me?
Yes.
Maybe.
You know we're putting this on the internet. Right?
Yes, I am aware. You said.
Look at them like they're doing something important.
That's our sister.
I have proof of smartness now.
I have proof of
I have been educated.
Paparazzi!
Selfie time.
At
So,
least
like-
one college once made.
Okay. Wait.
Is it possible? What?
It's good. Okay, let's go.
Is it possible you can take all of us in the same picture?
We could try. Wait, with this?
And besides, y'all already got my voice on the last video.
True.
All right.
But like,
We good?
I mean, really, a selfie here is
Okay.
hard. Blue is her favorite color, you know?
Yeah.
Because it's adorable.
It's everyone's
Let's see
favorite
if this
color.
works.
That's awesome.
Well, it's a lot of
But
people's
yeah.
favorite. It's the most popular favorite color.
Yeah.
I especially
So
like the... Wait.
We're going.
I especially like where the land is. Like,
Yeah.
the part where it's...
And the islands. Okay,
Yeah,
come on.
the islands are cool. Like,
Come on.
I like the
Come on.
part where the water meets the land. It's
Come on.
nice. So anyway,
We're getting
guys,
back in the car. I have to sit in the middle.
so
Look, I've got the shortest leg.
yeah, because you're the youngest person. So we're back in our black car.
Yeah.
Clearly not racism.
Struggles of getting in the car. Just throw yourself in.
Did I even?
What?
Did I even close the door?
Oh, water. Thank you. No, wait.
That's
You-
yours. That's yours.
Yeah, then don't move it.
Well, it was in my seat. So,
We're all in?
Bro.
We're all bro.
We gotta get our seatbelts fastened because they're a cool they're a cool fashion statement.
Yeah.
yeah.
I understand.
Just
that.
cut them out of your
What's
car.
with the people wearing all black?
Yeah, for real.
Goths.
She's a goth.
Travis.
Yeah, she's a goth. Yeah, can't you tell?
No. Is it M-A-D or M-A-D-E?
M-E-A-D.
Is that it? Really?
I think
This
so.
ponytail beard guy a goth.
Yes.
Okay.
It's actually a pretty common look for goths. Oh my god.
What about the girl here in the white
What?
pajamas?
Oh my God. What?
I
The
I
black,
thought-
black thong?
I thought my water was, the cap was all tightened and then it tipped and it wasn't.
Okay,
You're
so
wet?
there's
Yeah,
like
I've got,
a
like,
glare
splatters
at the
on my
window,
leg.
like
Yeah.
in the video.
Now
But
you're
It's
saying, oh my
a
gosh,
big
because the
one.
girl there in the white pajamas was wearing a black thong.
What? No.
what
Uh,
are you
it was-
even talking
It was
about?
just me noticing.
It's still a glare.
I don't really notice things like
But like,
thongs.
is it bad?
I notice like
This
you
is
know,
clearly
what kind
YouTube.
of bra someone's wearing.
YouTube quality video stuff.
Yeah. It's not our fault.
Wow. Wow, mother.
You don't want to know what's going on up there.
Steve.
Seriously,
Probably you.
we're trying to make a video right now.
Do
Did
you
you hear
smell
what I
it?
said? Did you hear what I
Yes,
said, Lauren?
but only when I actually breathe in. And I usually don't do that, so no.
It's really mad at you, Christy.
Mama,
Do you even seatbelt, bro? Hello?
Mama,
Mother, do you even seatbelt?
The young'uns. They get caught onto a meme and then they never let it go. Ever.
Oh,
Ever.
good. She even seatbelts.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Rabbit?
That's a nice car.
Looks like an
Right?
actor.
Feels sick to my stomach.
Okay, so
Like when we're on
we're leaving Boulder Dam, or whatever it's called.
Hoover Dam.
In
Okay, Boulder City. That's
Boulder City.
yeah. We're in Boulder
Yeah.
City, and it's the Hoover Dam. I messed these things up, guys.
Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah,
forgive
City.
me. Forgive me, bros. So we were just in Arizona for a sec.
We were?
Yeah.
Oh.
We stopped and took a
The
picture
sign
of
said
it.
Arizona, the Grand Canyon State welcomes.
I did not
There's a
notice.
pull off. Take a picture.
So like
I took a picture, don't worry.
Okay, cool.
at the end of the week we're gonna
Make a slideshow. Or two.
Didn't you already say
three.
that?
yes we did.
But
Or
not in the
three.
video.
Yeah, we did.
I did?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't
But, like-
understand why my flesh is falling off.
It's because you got a sunburn. It's not that difficult.
It's not a sunburn!
It's water blisters then.
No, it's not! My skin is just peeling off.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I'm gonna end the
Do you
vlog
even
now.
lotion, bro?
I have put more lotion on than
Okay,
ever.
so see you guys later, bros.
Peace.
Yeah. Peace.